Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Cloud hosting gives scalable virtual servers with pay-as-you-go pricing from per month. It replaces physical hardware with virtual machines and managed services. Expect typical uptime guarantees around 99% from major providers. You can provision compute, storage, and network resources on demand. Cloud instances commonly start with 1 GB RAM and 20 GB storage. Providers charge based on usage hours, data transfer, and snapshots. Learn the trade-offs between managed services and self-managed virtual machines. Create an account, verify identity, and enable two-factor authentication immediately. Select a region close to your users to reduce latency and data transfer costs. Choose instance size, for example 2 vCPU and 4 GB RAM for basic apps. Configure key pairs and restrict SSH to trusted IPs for tighter security. Deploy via SSH or use CI/CD pipelines with Docker images and Kubernetes manifests. Test deployment using health checks and probes to ensure readiness and use auto-scaling to add instances when CPU exceeds 70% and remove them below 30%. Leverage load balancers to distribute traffic evenly across healthy instances. Monitor costs with alerts at 0 and 00 monthly spending thresholds to avoid surprises. Optimize storage by using object storage for static assets and block storage for databases. Encrypt data at rest and in transit using AES 256 and TLS 2 or higher. Regularly backup snapshots and test restores to validate disaster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.